What's up, guys? Big Clyde 34 coming at you today from Atco Dragways, variant of Hot Rod Drag Week. We're 3 days into Drag Week, and behind us we have a couple of cars that you might not be too familiar with. Now, here in America, there's very, very few Barra engines. It's an inline 6 produced by Ford that I just been told is kind of similar to the Coyote architecture. They're so cool. I've seen these things online. It's awesome to see them in person. Anyways, these guys shipped out all the way from Australia to compete in Drag Week. We're going to go catch up with them, show you guys some footage of them racing. If you enjoyed this video, please smack the like button, subscribe below, hit the bell icon to become a part of the notification squad. Guys, we're at Drag Week. This is awesome. Let's hop right into it. I hear that you guys made quite a journey to get here with these things. Want to talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, it's our second year at Drag Week. It's obviously our first time up north. The trip, obviously we started Sydney, Australia. We chucked this thing in a container, brought some spares over as well. It's been a pretty good trip so far. We've had sort of the usual Drag Week gremlins and then some this year. Actually, last year we kind of had a bit of a cakewalk and didn't have any problems, and we're definitely paying for it this year. So we're still in the race, but it was quite a slog to even get to the start this year. So we're on the spare engine in this car already, and in the Mustang we've actually basically used 2 engines to keep that running, like to get it going. So it's got the bottom end from my car and then his cylinder head. Both running 4-litre Barras. They're still both standard bore and stroke. We've got Garage G42 1450 turbos on both cars. Hypertune exhaust manifolds and inland manifolds on both cars. Same intercooler as well there. That's also a Hypertune item. A lot of the stuff on this is Australian made as well. We're trying to promote and support Australian business as much as we can. The ECU engine management system's all from Haltech. The one thing we don't use from Australia is transmissions. We actually use a huge transmission in both vehicles. They're assembled for us in Arizona. Those guys have been really fantastic. They actually contacted me off the back of Drag Week last year. We already had one of their street turbo 400s in this last year, but we didn't have a trans brake and none of the setup that it's in it now. So now we're running reed cases, quick time bell housings, bolt together converters, and we've actually co-developed a torque converter which we use specifically for the Barra. So it's a pretty cool partnership that we've shared over the last sort of 10 or 11 months, and they're fantastic guys to work with. And yeah, all the guys that we work with are actually all fantastic companies. So yeah, big shout out to all the guys that helped get us here. On day 5 we'll probably put the big tune in it and swing for the fence, and we'll either make it or break it. We've actually only sort of recently taken ownership of that. Well, someone in our team has. We don't own both cars, so Benny owns the Mustang. I don't know if you're familiar with our Australian Drag Week story from last year, but his vehicle actually got stuck in customs, so he wasn't able to participate last year. So to sort of counteract or isolate that issue as much as we could, we shipped the driveline from America over via air freight and actually built that car in about 12 days. So the whole build of that is actually documented on the Skid Factory YouTube channel, and then all of our Drag Week adventure with both cars is on my BCW YouTube channel. Both cars we have a lot of sort of attachment to now, but I mean obviously this is the OG car that we started our Drag Week journey with. I've actually driven this car in 3 countries now. So we bought the vehicle in Japan, road tripped it end to end. I've driven this heaps of times in Australia. We've done an event similar to Drag Week called Drag Challenge. They run a 3-day version of that and a 5-day version of that in Australia. We've done the 3-day version already, and the plan is actually to try and get this back into Australia quick enough to run the 5-day version in November.
Wow, so you guys are all over the place with these.
Yeah, mate, we're literally lapping the globe with it at the moment. So the Mustang we don't really have a lot lot of stories with it yet, but probably the thing I enjoy most about that car is watching Benny, the owner's face.
Right.
The first time he did that 8-second pass, and then yesterday he's backed it up with an 860. So it's really good to be able to deliver a car to a mate and sort of just get him back into the sport. He's had a pretty tough trot with 3 or 4 different builds in a row, sort of having fairly major problems and not meeting deadlines, and then obviously being stuck in drag week or not being able to participate in drag week because he was stuck in customs. So it's that's the highlight of that is just seeing his response and just seeing him being able to race. Because as I mentioned, this is actually his second attempt and his first time actually making a lap.
From what I've heard, the Barra is essentially the Australian version of the LS. How accurate would you say that is, as someone who's trenched on these things?
I wouldn't really say it's an Australian version of an LS because we got LS anyway. So we didn't get any iron block LSs. We got alloy only. So we got 5, 7, 6, and 6.2 litre variants.
Right.
Then I believe we've started to get a little bit of LT stuff. But yeah, it's I'd say it's probably architecturally there's probably more sort of similarities, especially in the cylinder heads with the Coyote. The variable cam timing and the rockers and stuff like that are kind of similar. I mean, they're from Ford, so Ford's going to bring architecture to an engine, even if it's not physically part interchanging. They're quite similar in some of the stuff that they use. So we had one of the engines parted Harold Engine and Dyno, and they were all sort of remarking that it was quite similar to a Coyote setup. So it's cool to sort of show the Barra to people that have never seen it and probably will never see another one. I mean, obviously they're starting to pop up in the States now, but I'd say at a rough guess there's probably between 50 and 100 engines on the ground at the moment. They've definitely got a bit of a cult following, but they're not attainable due to the way you have to import them into the country. So they're not a cheap engine by any means. So if you just want to go quick on a budget, a Turbo 5.3 is kind of where you're at, still in the States. But because we've had the Barra for 16 years or something, since 2003, they're all over the place. They're literally like our Junkyard 4.8 or Junkyard 5.3. There's always guys doing like budget China turbos with the 85. Like you can make 500 horsepower pretty reliably with an aspirated engine and a turbo on the 85. More than that, and you start to see rod failures and things like that, piston failures. But they're not a dear engine to build. Like if you were to build, like actually the engine that's in that, the 1200 horsepower combo, the long motor only, you're probably looking at about $12,000 to $13,000 Australian built by a shop. Well, most shops are kind of around that figure, so it's fairly cost effective for such a high power output in a fairly unique platform. factory for the Mustang builds. And thanks to you guys for giving the time for an interview. So appreciate it.
I appreciate you, man.
No worries. Thanks, mate.
Good luck the rest of the
Have a good one.